too, if you don't mind.
I made your... We're awake. We're awake and I'm injured. We're on the way to pick up the bikes right now. Last night I tried to do a headstand because I've been trying to practice that, and I'm obviously not in shape for that, and it's not like what it once was, and it's something you're supposed to work your way up to doing, and I really just cricked my neck, and so that's another struggle for the day. And I've been having neck problems. Like, I have a few videos where I have my neck is messed up, so I'm just really upset with myself, but I'm trying to like calm down and like whatever, I'll heal it like I did before, and I'll get myself back, and I learned my lesson, and I'm gonna really take it slow from now on, and really, maybe it was right there, really train myself. Yeah. I feel like Ghost Rider. Let's ride. 0 bikes and just follow the line. It's just a straight shot for like a good amount of miles. Wow, that's the train we were on.
It's hard to bike and hold the GoPro at the same time.
Oh, we need to just focus on just driving for this next little bit. Right? And we're just like selfie sticking, right? Right when we're riding. They're like young people. Wow. Look how beautiful it is. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I just killed a snail. I just killed a snail. Sheep. This is an easement. Careful with that barbed wire. Shit almost shook to me.
Oh shit. Yeah. Maybe that's our too tall shit.
Oh look, curly dock.
Oh.
That grows in Texas. It must be invasive. Or I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. But I'm seeing a lot of familiar stuff here that I've seen in the US. There's the train. Woohoo! Woohoo! I feel alive! Oh my god, the road's getting better, Brianna. Little patch. Woohoo! Oh, careful, don't slip on this wet mud. I almost slipped just then. Cockleburn. Yeah, we gotta go, we gotta stay on the left side and try not to die.
Left side, right side looks like one road.
Right? Just stay to your left. On your left. On your left. Woo. Woohoo! Look at the cows. This. Better
Get out
the way. Get out my hay, bitch. Get out my hay.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow.
Get out my hay.
Cat.
Get out my hay, bitch. This is such a good idea. What a great way to see High Island. Oh shit. I don't know. Thick for floodwaters. Private land and environmental area. I'm alive! I feel alive! Good morning. This one was
18 for this one.
This one's a little retarded. Oh no. Moo! Fly! Ow! The nettle got me! The nettle, yes it is on. I look like a fucking American.
You look like a baby.
I look like an idiot.
Are you okay?
The stinging nettle stung me.
That's some horror movie shit. That's
Fuck.
get you caught by
There it is. You see it? Fuck, this shit hurt. But I know it'll go away. But it's like now it's like getting like, it's like, it was like sharp pain and it's like getting kind of numb now. Like, damn, that shit, it's no joke. Fuck. Right? It's cow pond. Oh shit. Another door, another gate I gotta open. That we're in now. Look at this. You can't even really tell where the path is. Goodness gracious. But I know it's this little thin line right here. This is gonna be really hard to drive back in if it were to get dark, but luckily we're not coming back in the dark. And this place doesn't really get dark until 9 anyways. Thank God for this e-bike. I wish I was strong enough and fit enough to not need it. But if it makes it any better, I don't have it on right now. But I know it's still helping quite a bit. Oh shit. Woohoo! Oh my God. This shit is so fucking fun. This is the walking path to get there.
Okay.
Look. Starting to rain. Well, I would say it would be harder because you'd have to use your own muscles. Careful of the sandy area. Fuck!
Oh God. Are you okay?
Ow!
You hit your crotch?
Yeah. Hit my fucking vagina. Shit. It's time for me to turn on turbo.
Yeah.
I haven't had it on this whole time. I haven't had it on this whole time. I'm about to put it on right now. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck, this hump right here. Woo! Made it to the end of the line of that shit. Also, these are new e-bikes. We're the first people to drive these bikes. They just got it in today. So that's also exciting. So we have like brand spanking new bikes that we can fuck up reasonably fuck up.
Do you need yours?
Yeah.
This one's mine. Tastes like candy. What?
Good thing we're wearing helmets.
Oh, cause the.
People are shooting golf.
Oh yeah.
We could get easily shot in the fucking head.
We could still get shot in that one.
That's what I'm worried about. Back to the good old legs God gave me. Woo. Yeah, I know e-bikes are a cheat code, but if you're a beginner This is definitely the way to go. Beginner bike, beginner terrain. Yeah, that's how you do it. Fuck. Hear the ocean. Look how far back the tide is. Yeah. I think the tide comes up right here, actually. I'm tripping. But I wouldn't be surprised if it came up right here. That's so cool. Oh, shit. Yeah, this part's not gonna... No!
Yeah, it was bound to happen. Long wait for you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna wash my shoes when I get there. Not that it matters, because...
Oh my god.
What the fuck, man? What the fuck is going on?
You gotta step on a rock. Oh god.
This is really upsetting.
Your shoes are completely black with mud.
I'm literally shitting bricks right now, Brianna.
I'm not going to
Oh, I'm literally not happy right now. This is very tragic for me because I really like these shoes. These are my going out shoes.
Let's get more.
These are sentimental. We made it, guys. This looks cool as fuck. That is the causeway. The tide is all the way back there, but it comes all the way here and covers this whole area. This whole road gets covered. And you can't get on the island again until the tide recedes back. So cool. Super cool. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Huh? We made it. I'm waiting for my phone to finish charging. I need it to get back. I'm at 52%. We'll wait till it gets to 80.
Ja. Ja, bei England, da gibt es spannendere Sachen. Ja, aber es ist immer so.
A good little walk around, but the tide is coming up, so it's time to go. This time we're gonna take the road back to where we need to be instead of the back way, the coastal pathway or coastal trail, whatever it's called. Here we go. Pit stop at like this outdoor store. It's kind of equivalent to Academy.
Why? Because I have a fucking hole in the crotch of my pants the size of Jupiter.
Both our butt cheeks can fit out. So we need new pants, and I would like some. What'd you say?
I said I saw this place and I was like, we need to go. We almost passed it. She was like, what?
I was like, I could use some cycling pants because my ass is raw.
These ones are really nice, but I don't need all this.
Okay, well, let's buy it. We have like 2 miles before we make it back.
Okay.
Maybe even 3. We're at this place called Farm Foods.
Shawarma kebab.
Way more food options here. Where are we going now, bro?